Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Real quick update here for the monthly market outlook. We will be hosting that tomorrow, Wednesday, May 4th, 2022, after the FOMC decision, and so that's probably a better way to go here. I do have the Zoom webinar link in the description below if you do want to join me here tomorrow. It is free and open to everyone, so everyone is invited. We'll be talking stocks, futures, crypto, and take your requests. So again, that will be tomorrow after the FOMC statement and rate decision. So once that's done, we'll have a better idea of how the market's going to react and have better analysis behind it. So we're going to hold off until Wednesday, May 4th at 4 p.m. Central for that PivotBoss monthly market outlook. Please join me. I will have that recorded as well for those of you that want to watch it later. All right, let's take a look here at the ES in the daily time frame right now. The previous session, a bit of a washout there, bounced back up into the range and throwing off a buy signal off the previous month's lows. But again, we're at a point in the chart right now where the market is likely to continue to hold in a holding pattern ahead of the FOMC statement and rate decision. So we have that coming up tomorrow. Again, the expectation is for an increase of the federal rate at 25 or 50 basis points. So again, that could influence the market in a way that could be significant. So again, we'll hold off on that. But right now, very narrow price action. We could see further range-bound price action heading into tomorrow's event, where price continues to develop in a range here. So right now, fade the edges at the moment within a narrow range. The ES trading just 40% of average range right now, just 47 points of range. It's been averaging 117 on a 10-day basis and 129 on a 5-day basis. So again, very volatile over the previous couple of weeks here, but now likely to go a little bit more quiet as we head into tomorrow's event. Again, this support area, very important right now, 4,100. We're very close to that 4,000 level, 4,000 right there. A big time CLVN in the chart, S25 on the monthly pivots, and very close to the S3 on the yearly PivotBoss band. So again, getting to a point where this thing is very, very overextended to the downside, but it could also pick up steam to the downside if that 4,000 is taken out and not reclaimed. So that's going to be something to continue to watch as we head into Wednesday's market. Let's take a look here at the NQ. The NQ right now up about 1/3%. Narrow range right now, 35% of average. It's been averaging 486 on a 10 and 530 on a 5. And right now we're just trading 170 points. So very narrow. Obviously, this is incredible volatility we've seen here lately. On lows of the year, yesterday printing the lowest point of the year, and you can see 12,207 just below. That's the previous year's low. Very, very close to that level. That's a level that likely needs to be tested at some point there, and we'll see if there's a reaction or rejection of those prices. If not, things could get very interesting with S25 on a yearly basis down below at 11,067. So again, this is going to be an important line to watch here up ahead. Until then, could be range bound back and forth as we head into the FOMC event tomorrow. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Right now, crude oil is down 1%. It currently trading 52% of average. So again, another narrow range day. It's an inside day to yesterday's range. If you look here after the early activity in March here, things have calmed down significantly, and we are now trading and chopping around the 105 level. That 105 level has been the apex of this triangular shape pattern, and we are sitting right there at the moment. It's also right at the previous month's close, and like last month, price chopped around that previous month's close through the entire month. Right now we're sitting right around it as well. So again, this could be further compression and chop as we head into the FOMC event. Above 110 opens up a little bit more to 116. If price can't hold the 105s, we could rotate as low as 95, so a 10 to handle drop. But we are still inside this range until proven otherwise. At some point here, we may see a significant move out of this range. Until then, further chop could be seen. Let's take a look here at Bitcoin. This one's down nearly 1/3%, sitting right on top of that 38K support level. Again, inside day right now, trading 560 points of range when it's been averaging 1,800 points per day over the last 5 and 10 days. So again, very narrow price action and close to that 38K, 37.5 zone, which again, if it's taken out, we drop a bit down toward 35 or 34K, which again could provide a short-term opportunity to flip this thing back up. Until then, kind of range bound as all eyes are on the Fed. Taking a look at Ether futures, very similar price action, inside day, narrow price action, 40% of average, trading just 60 points of range when it's been averaging 155 on a 5 and 10 day basis. So again, or nearly inside range, very quiet price action, sitting on the 2,800 level. Again, a violation of 2,800 opens up a quick test at 2,500, which has been staunchly defended. So again, any drop into support could offer an opportunity to flip it back to 2,800 very quickly if a break like that should occur. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the day. Again, we will be hosting that monthly market outlook tomorrow, Wednesday, May 4th at 4 p.m. Central, using the Zoom link below. Everyone have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the trader room. Take care.